Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to upload or import new projects or designs on your Behance profile from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Behance profile as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what my feed looks like, and the idea here is when you guys want to upload a new project, you would want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen, and next to your profile icon as well as the email icon, you'll see a button that says share your work. Now if you hover your mouse over this button right here, you'll be met with four different options, being project, service, work in progress, and live stream. So it's pretty cool because you get all of these different ways to share your work on Behance. And if as far as the formats go for Behance, let me show you guys. Actually, this is one for if you want to make one from scratch. So you can do an embed, you can upload an image, text, video, so on and so forth. So it's pretty self-explanatory. But if we're going to talk about the file formats that are supported by this platform, you'll see here that because Behance is actually an Adobe application, they provide support for pretty much all of these formats right here. So there's ABR, AI, doc, docx, DNG, JPEG, so images, PNG, Photoshop images, TXT files, WebP files, so videos, XLS for I believe those are subtitles or something, and zip files. So pretty much they have support for all around for all these formats. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, to once again, to upload a project, simply hover over share your work and select one of these formats right here. And that's really all it takes. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.